Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into MX Linux, a distribution that has garnered a lot of attention lately, topping the charts on DistroWatch. Initially, I was skeptical about its true quality, especially considering that DistroWatch rankings don't always reflect a distribution's actual performance and user satisfaction. However, after using MX Linux, I found myself pleasantly surprised. Let's explore why. MX Linux provides a range of desktop environments to cater to different user preferences. You can choose from XFCE, KDE, and Fluxbox, each offering a unique user experience. However, it's the MX Tools that truly set MX Linux apart. MX Tools is a powerful graphical interface that simplifies complex system management tasks. This innovative suite, partially derived from the MEPIS project, allows you to perform advanced operations that typically require command line knowledge. For instance, the Root Rescue Scan enables you to recover broken systems by changing the root directory. This tool proves invaluable when facing critical boot issues. Boot Repair is another essential feature that helps fix grub and other bootloader problems, proving crucial in situations where your system becomes unbootable. Editing grub, installing NVIDIA drivers, and a multitude of other tasks are made incredibly easy through this intuitive interface. What makes MX Tools even more impressive is that all these functions can be applied via the live environment. This makes it an indispensable tool for recovering other distributions as well, highlighting its versatility and potential for wider use beyond just MX Linux. MX Linux is renowned for its lightweight nature, designed to run smoothly even on older hardware. This efficiency is achieved through a combination of factors, including the use of the XFCE desktop environment, which is known for its low resource consumption, and a carefully curated set of pre-installed applications that prioritize performance over bloat. The result is a responsive and snappy user experience, making it an excellent choice for users with older computers or limited system resources. However, the sheer abundance of menu options in MX Linux can occasionally lead to a cluttered interface. While this extensive selection provides a high level of control and customization for experienced users, it can be overwhelming for newcomers. The organization of these options could be streamlined to improve user-friendliness, particularly for those new to the Linux world. Despite this minor drawback, MX Linux's commitment to lightweight design and efficient performance makes it a compelling choice for users seeking a reliable and fast Linux experience, even on older machines. While MX Linux might not be ideal for complete beginners due to its somewhat complex interface, it's perfect for intermediate users who have a decent understanding of Linux. These users will appreciate the speed, reliability, and powerful tools that MX Linux offers, making system management a breeze. The extensive menu options, while potentially overwhelming for beginners, provide a high level of control and customization for those who are familiar with Linux. MX Linux empowers intermediate users to take control of their systems with ease, thanks to its intuitive interface and powerful tools. One of the key distinguishing features of MX Linux is its decision to forego the widely used systemd init system, opting instead for sysvinit. This choice is